my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies, look, my nails are painted for once. Are you guys happy? Everybody has been clocking my nails recently for like the past month. You guys, I know, my nails look crusty half the time. I am not that high maintenance of a person where I care to go and get my nails done or my eyebrows or any of these things. Just because I slap a mask on once in a while doesn't mean I care about the rest of myself. So I finally painted my nails. Yes, I painted them. I didn't go and get them done. I painted them myself. We're feeling very spring over here. I even did my toes, but we're not gonna look at my feet because today's video is a CUPSHE try on haul. I have like almost 10 swimsuits to show you guys, if not 10 swimsuits. I got quite a few. It is officially summer here in Arizona. Well, not officially, but like it feels like summer. It's hot. So your girl is ready to tan, go to the water parks, go to the pool, go to the lake. Not get in the water though because it looks like it has lots of diseases. So before I show you guys the swimsuits and everything, I know somebody is going to ask me in the comments like, Vanessa, are you going to do a get ready with me or a tutorial? Because the past couple of videos, y'all have been feeling my makeup, and thank you, because I feel like I'm complete trash at it, but if you guys think I look cute, then thank you. The lighting in my house has been very ugly lately, so I'm waiting until everything looks nice and clear and beautiful again, because as you guys can see, it looks kind of dark in here, but it's literally noon, so I don't know what's going on. It's usually very bright in here, so when it decides to be bright again, you guys will get the tutorial slash get ready with me video. So now let's go ahead and get started with the swimsuits. So we're gonna start with my favorite one out of the bunch, just because, I mean, it's solid black. That's why it's my favorite. You'll notice in this haul kind of a mix of like colors and stuff. So this summer I want to travel to some like tropical places. So I got some very like beachy tropical kind of vibe swimsuits. So that's why. Like I said, starting with my favorite, it is all black two-piece. This is what the front and the back looks like. You guys will see how everything fits me. I am a size large, so just for size reference, a bandeau style top. Absolutely love this. Fits very comfortable. Love it. On to swimsuit number 2. This is what the top looks like. Has the clasp in the back just like the other one. Looks like this for the top. And then for the bottom, looks like this. I absolutely love this. I think this is so cute. Like I said, I love all black, but I love that they put the stitching around it. It makes it a little bit more unique. So this is the second swimsuit. Moving on to the third. This one fits really good as well. I really, really like the way the bottoms fit on this. They're not super tight at all. I'm not saying that that's a problem with like the other swimsuits, but I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because of like these little elastic things on the side, but this one just fits very, very comfortably, and you'll be able to see that in the try on. This is what the bottom looks like. It looks like it's just like black and white stripes on camera, but it's actually like a navy blue. And this is what the top looks like. Super cute as well. Has this in the front, so this goes across your cleavage area, ties in the front, and also ties in the back. I also really, really like this one. This one is probably my second favorite swimsuit. This one will probably leave a really awkward tan line, but it is so cute to me. It is one strap on the shoulder, bandeau style, has a little clasp in the back. I thought it was really cute, not only because it's navy blue and I really like that color, but it has these little like frills on it, and I thought it was pretty. This is what the bottom looks like, super cute, just like the top. As you guys can see, I wear a lot of full coverage bottoms, and honestly, that's because I don't like having string up my butt when I'm trying to swim, because as much as I want to ignore it, I can feel it. Next one is a striped swimsuit, and I keep saying, oh my gosh, I love it. This is so cute, so cute. But like, that's all I can say about it. Like, I love them. The quality is great. Can't complain about that. So, I love them. They're super pretty. This is what the top looks like. Ties in the back. This top is very, very comfortable. You will not feel like anything is moving anywhere. So my only problem with this swimsuit is the way it fits. So typically whenever you buy two-piece swimsuit sets, it is a little bit of a risk because, you know, you might not fill in the top as much as you could fill in the bottom. Sometimes some people are very small on top, bigger on the bottom, bigger on the top, smaller on the bottom. So it's kind of a risk sometimes. And like I said, I got this in a size large, so the bottom fits. It is a little high-waisted. I don't like that on me. But this one just falls really awkwardly on my body, so I think I'm gonna end up regifting this. If it fit me properly, then yeah, I would have loved it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the quality of the swimsuit. It's just the sizing was a little complicated with this one. The top was a little too big, and the bottom, I just didn't like the way it looked on me. So I still have all the stuff on it. I will be regifting this to a friend or a cousin. On to the next one. It's a floral two-piece set. I love this one so much just because it crosses in the front and in the back. Also might leave a little bit of an awkward tan line, but this one fit pretty good as well. And this is what the bottom looks like. I typically go for solid colors when it comes to my swimsuits, so I'm trying to like switch it up a little bit and be that corny person that like goes to like a tropical place and wears like a tropical looking like flower bikini. Yes, I want to be that head ass. I don't know what it is, but I have been loving like girly little one pieces lately. I used to hate the way I looked in them, but like a bitch feels good. Am I sweating? I feel like I say that every video. This is the one piece that I was talking about. Sorry, I'm disgusting. Let's like hide my armpit. It's florally on the top and then it has the stripes on the bottom, but right here it has this little like frilly material that looks so cute. I feel like in the past a lot of people have said that like one pieces can't be cute, can't be sexy, but like you guys, like there's actually some really cute ones out there. So that is the last swimsuit I'm gonna show you guys today. If you're interested in getting any of these, I will put all the links in the description so you guys can find them easily, as well as a coupon code for 10% off. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel, and I will see you guys all in my next video.